Trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video. Yep, like the video, even though this video is gonna be a little spicy. Like it, all right? And also please go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you yet to do so. Please also head on over to our Instagram page, that's TXT Track Time, and give us a follow there as well. The link will be in the description. All right, so Trackies, World Athletics has announced the finalists for the 2023 Men's Rising Star Award. So yay, World Athletics has announced 3 finalists for this Men's 2023 Rising Star Award, which will recognize this year's best under 20 athlete at the World Athletics Awards 2023. Now, the nominations reflect some of the standout performances that the sport has witnessed this year, meaning 2023, at the World Athletic Championships Budapest 2023, World Athletics Cross Country Championships Bathurst 2023, and also one-day meeting circuits and other events around the world. Now, the winner of the 2023 Rising Star Award will be selected by an international panel of experts and be announced on the World Athletics platforms on December the 11th. All right, so Trackies, now that we know the criteria for winning this award, Trackies, we're going to get straight into the 3 finalists. So kicking things off straight away, yes, our very own Jamaican Roshawn Clark, Trackies. Now, he is nominated because at the World Championships, Trackies, he placed 4th in the finals for the men's 400-meter hurdles. He also equaled, then broke the under 20 world record for the men's 400-meter hurdles. I'm talking about running 47.85 first in Kingston, Jamaica at our national championships, then going on over to Budapest and running 47.34 seconds. Now, Trackies, that also incidentally is the national record as well, that 47.34 for Jamaica. Now, Tracky, he's also the Jamaican champion and the Carifta champion from the under 20 games. All right, so Tracky's second on the list, Erriyon from the United States of America. Now, he at the World Championships won for himself silver in the 200 meters. Now, Tracky's, he's also the US champion and also winner of Diamond League races in Florence and Oslo. Now, the final nominee, Trackies, is Emmanuel Wanyoni from Kenya. Now, Trackies, forgive me if I wasn't naming where the athletes are from, but Roshawn Clark, Jamaica, Erriyon, United States of America, and now we're back to Emmanuel Wanyoni from Kenya. Now, at the World Championships, he won for himself silver in the 800 meters. Yeah, so he's a silver medalist from the World Championships. Then also, Trackies, as it relates to the Diamond League, he is the Diamond League champion and winner in Rabat, Paris, and Xiamen. So Trackies, he's been killing it on the circuit. Plus also, Trackies, he was part of the World Cross Country Mixed Relay and they became champions there. So Trackies, those are your 3 nominees: Roshawn Clark from Jamaica, Erriyon from the United States of America, and Emmanuel Wanyoni from Kenya. Now, Trackies, clearly congratulations to all the athletes that have been nominated on this list for their amazing performances this year. And I'm telling you, these under 20 athletes are killing it. Now, Trackies, with that said, I did say that this video is going to be a little bit on the spicy side. You know, I tend to get that way sometimes, but yeah, bear with me. So I have a slight request of World Athletics. I really want them to change the name of this award and call it maybe Best Under 20 Athlete or something. I don't know. And leave the Rising Star Award for those actually rising. Trackies, for me personally, I'm honestly tired of them misrepresenting the term rising. As far as I'm concerned, a rising star is for those under 20 athletes on the cusp of doing something great. No, Trackies, once you've actually started to win global medals, you, in my opinion, can no longer be considered a rising star because literally you're already there. You know, they're risen. As far as I'm concerned, they might as well be considered Jesus at this point. Them reach, you know what I mean? It might not be gold, but for them to medal on the highest level, Trackies, and be top 3 in the world, where else the Mugger Rise go? Now, track is when we go back in the past and we look at the likes of a Sydney McLaughlin and a Mondo Duplantis, they both graduated from the rising star status the moment they started winning global medals. Or it could possibly be that maybe they phased out of the under 20 system. I'm thinking more along those lines. But anyway, track is they spent, a year being rising star athletes before they were promoted, out of that system, right? But I'm really wondering what is going on here. Now, I asked this question from last year. Why is Erriyon Knighton? No, I know some of y'all Americans are going to get mad, but it is what it is. Why is Erriyon Knighton still considered a rising star? I did say in my video from last year when he was also nominated that he's already risen. He's already made it. He's already there. Medal on the highest level. Why is he considered a rising star? Now, track is this year he's also nominated again, but also track is it's the same for Emmanuel Wanyonyi. Both him and Erriyon Knighton have made this rising star list for the past 3 years. But for me, track is Wanyonyi was genuinely a rising star at that point. So my question is, now that he has medal in global senior championships or at a global senior competition, is he still considered rising? I mean, track is, think about it. The goal of every athlete is to eventually head on to the world championships, head on to the Olympic games and medal there. So if you've already medal there, are you still considered rising? Now, track is, I think personally that this Rising Star Award made a lot of sense before under 20 athletes started outdoing their senior counterparts, track is, winning global senior medals. Now, track is, I believe that World Athletics really has just not adjusted to these changes. I believe 100% wholesomely still keep this award for recognizing phenomenal under 20 athletes, but rename it to something else. Then we can also have a rising star category as well, which is really meant for those rising. Now, track is recently Noah Lyles proposed a change up in the amount of awards that World Athletics should hand out, and this is what he had to say. I feel like there should be more awards given than just Athlete of the Year. Then he posited, what about Performance of the Year? Athlete of the Year for jumps, throws, distance, and sprints. Most improved athlete. So, Chuckies, those were a few of Noah's ideas, and I have to say I definitely agree with him. World Athletics' way of doing things is a bit outdated, and as far as I'm concerned, an old draconian method that doesn't work with the current times. And Chuckies, another bone I have to pick with this list. Now, I know y'all are going to say it's because I'm Jamaican, but whatever. I'm going to say what I have to say anyway. Why is there no Jaydon Hibbert on this list? I mean, Trackies, he was a finalist from the World Championships. Trackies broke every under 20 record in existence, indoors and outdoors, plus also ended the 2023 season as the world leader in the triple jump with a massive 17.87 meters. Now, Trackies, if Jaydon isn't considered a rising star, then Trackies, I don't know who is. As far as I'm concerned, y'all need to make it make sense for me. Now, Trackies, of course, sound off in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts. Now, Trackies, let me just reiterate that I take no issue with these athletes being recognized for their phenomenal performances. However, I do believe that this category needs to be changed to something else, considering that these, under 20 athletes are no longer performing or staying in the realms of under 20. They're really outdoing and outperforming their senior counterparts. So, Trackies, do you agree with me that there needs to be a change in the name of this award? Name it something else. It doesn't matter. And of course, still have the Rising Star Award for those actually rising. And of course, Trackies, what do you think about the nominees on this list? We have Roshawn, we have Erriyon, we have Emmanuel Wanyonyi. I think it's going to be between Erriyon and Wanyonyi, to be honest. Definitely this time around, though, I think Wanyonyi will walk away with the win. Y'all sound off in the comment section below. Like the video as well and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.